What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you the Amazon Echo Auto. I just got it here, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys through it. I'm going to show you how to hook it up to your car and actually like how it works and what it does. So let's get going. Let's unbox this. Alright, so this is the Amazon Echo Auto right here. It comes with this little base thing, which actually just snaps in, and the bottom here has like a plastic protection, and it's really, really sticky. So I'm going to determine where I'm going to put this in just a second, but I imagine this part here just kind of clips in like so. Yeah, there we go. So it kind of just clips in, and now this will actually stick on my dash. They gave you this to power it, but I don't really need that because Teslas do have USB. So all I'm going to do is use the USB cable here. So I'm going to plug it in like so. And for my car, I do have the USB hub. Oops. And I just powered off everything. So it's plugged in there. It's powered. Let me put my hub back. There we go. And just for now, there might be a better way, but for now, if I close the top like that, you kind of don't see the cable. It is really hidden, but let me bring it all the way up to the top. There we go. So the cable's really hidden there. I'm gonna loop the cable around through the back, like here, and the cable runs all the way over here. Now I have the Amazon Echo Auto over here. It charges through USB. You plug it in like so. We're going to take off this clear part over here, and going to stick it down here.
Let's get rolling.
So there it is.
To safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
So I'll have to go to the Alexa app to set it up. So alright, so here's my Amazon Echo Auto, the final install. You can see the cable kind of runs around the back like so. You kind of can't see it at all. And the whole installation is actually rather clean. The only part of the cable you see is here, and it just kind of goes in and is plugged in. So now I have Amazon Alexa Auto, but there's like a little light that lights up along the front. But anyway, yeah, it's pretty hidden. I mean, if you wanted, just based off how I know how it works now, it's probably better. You can just mount it behind the screen. You wouldn't even see it at all. So, I mean, it does work pretty well. My only complaint... Actually, let's talk about the buttons on the top first, and I'll tell you my only complaint. So this one, it mutes the mic, so I can say, Alexa, Alexa, and it can't hear me, so it just won't work. And then here, if you click this, hey, how you doing?
I'm relishing the day. It's National Hot Dog Month. People everywhere are gearing up to celebrate the juicy summer snack. So get out there and catch up on the fun.
Catch up on the fun. So this one just basically gets the Alexa going. Like, you can talk to your system. And if you guys are wondering, it does come with this little thing here. It tells you all the different things you can do. So you can enjoy your favorite music, Audible, like audio books and stuff like that. You can have a shopping list. It's basically just Alexa, news, podcasts, weather, sports, local search and traffic. So like, hey, where's the nearest gas station? I mean, that's a good one, right? And then on the back, here's some other stuff. So Alexa, how many miles are in a kilometer?
1 kilometer equals 0.62 miles.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
Here are a few nearby ones. 1. Shell. 2. Petro-Canada. 3. Canadian Vaden Petro-Canada. And 4. Esso.
Alexa, call home. Alexa, play Skyrim.
Welcome back to Skyrim, adventurer. You are standing at a crossroads deciding where to go. In one direction is an abandoned tower, in the other is a quaint farm. Where would you like to go?
The farm.
Once at the quaint farm.
Real quick, in terms of it working here, you have to be on your phone connection. Otherwise, you will not hear the audio. So if I went to something else, and I'm going to get demonetized here if I play audio, but if I go to something else and I hit play, and I talk to Alexa now, so it's on like on this radio called Chill Non-Vocal. Alexa, what is the weather? And as you can see, it actually is answering me, but you have to be on your phone audio input. In terms of data, it is connected to the Alexa app on my phone. So the minute I get in, my phone connects to it and I automatically have access to Alexa. No like crazy setups or anything like that. So I don't know. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know if I will keep it personally, but nonetheless, I want to show it to you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this something you guys want? Do you want the Alexa Auto for your Tesla? Leave a thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed this video, of course. And as always, make sure you guys are subscribed for the latest and greatest Tesla content. You won't find this content anywhere else. Oh, one real quick side note, because this is not released yet, and I'm using this in Canada, there's like a workaround for you to get it to work in Canada. It just won't work out of the box. If you're in the US and you do get your hands on one, it should just work like instantly for you. But for Canadians, it's a little bit harder to get working because it's not made for our country yet. So, like I was saying, make sure you guys like the video, comment, do subscribe for everything Tesla, and most importantly, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.